Good morning, children. Welcome you all in our maths session. Last session we have learned shapes like triangle, circle, square, rectangle and oval. Today we are going to learn some more shapes. Here are some more shapes. This is cube shape. I am showing you one object of cube shape. Look here. This box is in cube shape. Okay. Some examples of cube are ice cube, sugar cube, dice, gift box and building blocks. Okay. Next shape is sphere. Sphere is geometric round shape. This is the example of sphere shape. Okay. Some another examples of sphere shape are ball, orange, marble, bubble and planets. Next shape is cuboid. A cuboid is a 3D shape or solid shape. These all shapes are 3D or solid shapes. Okay. Here is one example of cuboid. Here. This is a mobile box. Look here. It also have 6 faces. Some examples of cuboid are bricks, then shoebox, book, mattress, refrigerator. Look, this book is also in cuboid shape. Okay. Next shape is cone. A cone is 3D geometric shape or solid shape. This is the object of cone shape. Okay. Some example of cone shape are birthday cap, ice cream cone and tent. Next shape is cylinder. A cylinder is one of the most basic curved geometric shape. The shape can be thought of as a circular prism. Look here. This is the example of cylinder shape. Like this. Okay. The example of cylinder shapes are candle, pipe, fuse or test tube. Now here, tick the object that matches the shape shown on the left. Here is cube shape. Now see where is? Yes, this is cube shape. So you have to tick. Now here sphere. In these 3 objects, which is sphere? This is earth. So you have to tick in this sphere shape. Okay. Here is cuboid. Now, yes, this bricks is like cuboid shape. Next, cone. Look here. Here is a door, table and ice cream cone. So, this ice cream cone is same like cone shape. Okay. Now, cylinder. Look here. Tent, this tomato and here is a gift box and this gift box is same like cylinder shape. Okay. Now we will see some rolling and sliding objects. Look here. Take a ball and place it on a table. Does it stay in one place? No, it start rolling. Okay. Now here in this picture, this boy is with notebook and this notebook, it is not moving. Okay. Why? Because this book is slide only, and this ball is rolling. Look here. In this picture, the drum is rolling down the hill. And here, this girl, Mehak, is sliding down. Means that things, those are round in shape, that are rolling. And those things are flat, that things are slides. Okay. Here we have to write two examples of rolling and sliding. Okay. Look, one ball. Ball is rolling. Then lemon. Lemon is also rolling. Then football. Football is rolling. Orange. Now we have to write here two examples of sliding. Book, then duster, box, laptop. Okay, these things are sliding. Children, I hope you have understood about these more shapes and these rolling and sliding things. I hope you have understood these both things. Thank you.